Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I brought any updates regarding PhD admission in NIT Silchar. So NIT Silchar had given notification for PhD program for admission into PhD program for the session July to December 2022. Here they have given application are invited for admission into PhD program in the following departments with the area or specialization and admission group as mentioned in the table for session July to December 2022. The first department in which you can apply is civil engineering. A specialization available are earthquake engineering, structural engineering, river flow modeling, hydrology, water resource engineering, optimization method, concrete technology and structural engineering, transportation engineering, sediment transport, environmental engineering, water and wastewater treatment, absorption of pollutants. So likewise there are various areas in available in civil departments. You can choose anyone in which you have masters or have interest. Both group can apply. Group A for full-time with teaching assistantship, and group B for part-time candidate who will do PhD without any stipends. Next department is computer science and engineering. Areas are artificial intelligence, robotics, machine learning, data science, natural language processing, deep learning, cyber security, healthcare informatics, speech processing, image and video processing, information retrieval, gender bias, quantum computing, machine learning, healthcare computing and big data. In this department also both group can apply. Interdisciplinary specialization also there, sensor and antenna, you can apply for that also. Electrical engineering areas are power and energy system, control, instrumentation and automation, signal image processing and VLSI, power electronics and electric drives, high voltage engineering and energy material. Some interdisciplinary specialization also there, like electric vehicle engineering, optimization, design of lithium-ion battery, insulation design and diagnosis of electric vehicle, nanotechnology, nanoelectronics, image processing. Likewise, there are too many interdisciplinary specialization available in electrical also. Both group can apply. Next is electronics communication. Areas are semiconductor devices, electronic circuit and MEMS, nanoelectronics, solar photovoltaic, energy harvesting, then micro nano electronic devices, VLSI interconnect. Likewise various areas are there in electronics communication also. Both group can apply. You can see there are some interdisciplinary area specialization also there, like novel concept on solar photovoltaic, material to devices, smart transportation system, RF energy harvesting, biomedical sensor. So both group can apply. Next is electronics and instrumentation engineering. Both group can apply. You can see areas are sensing technology, instrumentation, biomedical instrumentation and signal processing, smart sensor, industrial instrumentation, machine learning, application of IoT. Likewise various areas are there. Next is mechanical. Both group can apply. Areas are advanced manufacturing process, microfluids, composite material, renewable energy, molecular dynamics, micromixing, heat transfer, non-Newtonian fluid mechanics, nanofuel, biodiesel, hydrogen, IC engine, combustion and pollution control. Various areas are there, too many. Some interdisciplinary specialization also there, like microfluidic, thin film, material characterization, additive manufacturing, robotic and control, battery and fuel cell technology, machine learning, molecular dynamics, uncertainty qualification, mechatronics devices. So too many are there. Next is chemistry. Both group can apply. Areas are development of nanomaterial and or mesoporous material based on modification of graphitic, carbon nitride, hydroxyapatite and metal organic framework, and investigation of their potential application as catalyst in chemical transformation, and environmental remediation. Both group can apply in chemistry also. Physics also both group can apply, part-time and full-time. Mathematics same, both group can apply. Humanity and social sciences and management. Admission group, there are two group, A and B. Group A, PhD program, regular category who may receive fellowship from Ministry of Education, CSIR or UGC or any other recognized funding agency. Fellowship as per Ministry of Education, CSIR, UGC guidelines. Research fellowship is available to the scholars who are admitted to PhD program in different department subjected to availability as stipulated by Ministry of Education. Award and renewal of fellowship is as per guidelines issued by Ministry of Education from time to time. Eligibility, first is students for admission into PhD program in engineering department must satisfy one of the following criteria. Either you have MEM Tech or equivalent with GATE NET qualification in appropriate area with minimum CGPA 6.5 or 60% marks. For SC/ST 5% relaxation. If you want to apply directly after BE Tech, then you must have valid GATE score with CGPA 8 or 75% marks. For graduates from IIT, NIT, the minimum CPI requirement is 7. For SC/ST or PWD candidate, relaxation of 0.5 or 5% marks. Students for admission into PhD program in science department must have master degree in relevant discipline with GATE, UGC, CSIR, NBHM or NET score for admission with minimum CGPA 6.5 or 60% marks. For SC/ST 5% relaxation or 0.5 relaxation. Students for admission into PhD program in management studies department must have master degree in business administration or master degree in engineering or technology with CGPA CPI of 6.5 or equivalent, or master degree in another discipline with CGPA 6.5 or equivalent. For SC/ST 5% relaxation. A score in NET, GATE, UGC is required for all. Students in admission for PhD program in Humanity and Social Sciences must have 6.5 CGPA or 60% marks, or master degree in other discipline with CGPA 6.5 or equivalent. For SC/ST 5% relaxation or 0.5 relaxation. A score in NET, GATE or UGC is required for all. Candidate appearing for final year BE Tech, MEM Tech, MSc, MA, MBA with valid GATE score are also eligible for apply. However, their final result must be published on or before publication of provisional on or before the publication of provisional selection list. Group B, PhD program, no financial assistance or stipend by NIT Silchar will be provided for this group. Following students will be considered under this group. The regular students are those who work full time for their PhD and self-financed, means they have to do all expenses by yourself. Second, sponsored who are employed in central or state means other who are not getting a fellowship comes under group B. Institute employee, anyone working in NIT Silchar and have to do PhD, then they have to produce one NOC. Project staff, anyone who work on a sponsored project in the institute have to produce one NOC from principal investigator of concerned project, and Dean RNC must be included with application form. Eligibility means same CGPA or percentage criteria except GATE or NET qualification. There is no requirement of that. Application can apply for the PhD program through online application portal available. I will upload the link in description box. Application fee 500 for Open, OBC or EWS, or 250 for SC/ST, PW must be paid via online payment. And the steps for online payment is as follows. Means you have to go SBI iCollect, then you have to select a state, then type of institute, educational institute, then you select educational institution name, you will find there online fee collection account NIT Silchar, then you made the payment and submit after filling all the details. The final PDF copy of application form must be emailed to PhDadmission 22@nits.ac.in with a copy to admit _PhD_22@nits.ac.in on or before 2nd of June 2022 by 5 p.m. Subject line should be mentioned application for PhD program, name of department applying for, Group A and Group B category. No need to send the hard copy. Candidate are advised to give their latest contact number or email IDs in the application form. Institute reserves the right to reject any or all application, or it may amend any of the clause above as per the order of competent authority or Government of India. Last date 2nd of June. List of shortlisted candidates to be uploaded on Institute website 7th June. Offline counseling and document verification 20 June to 21st June. Date of sending recommendation list by department to dean 21st June. List of provisionally selected candidate to be uploaded on the institute website 23rd June. Period of admission 24th June. Then declaration of vacancy status 27th June. Short counseling from date listed candidate verification will be on 28th of June 2022. Candidates are requested to check the institute website regularly for a date. Hostel accommodation is subjected to availability. So that's all about today's updates. Share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you. Have a nice day.